How's that feeling?
Good. Okay, breathe in through your nose. Out through the mouth. Shoulder.
Thank
Damn,
you.
dude. Jeez.
Did that hurt? Did that hurt? I missed that.
That's
Dr. Good.
an adjustment, baby.
Dr. Good Cracker.
Let me get my
You heard of
rhino
cracker?
roll.
Okay. Cracker.
Okay, let me have you on your side facing this way.
Dr. Good Cracker. Oh,
There
the
you
good
go.
roll.
The good roll.
The good roll. I'm glad I'm not a rhino.
You got the good roll?
I got
There's
the
your
good.
friend right there.
Yeah, I got it.
Those feel good. That one,
That hurts.
not so good.
And this dude knows his stuff.
Breathe in through your nose.
He's like,
Hey. There you go.
No,
Face
that
up
didn't do
now.
anything. That didn't feel good.
Yeah. And then I'm gonna do the moving. You just stay there.
Okay, good. I
This
like
is gonna get real tight in your butt. Oh, there you go. Face up now. Oh, you felt that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
It did.
I just need
You
my
will
neck. I
later.
don't think I need
Okay.
everything else.
oh, yeah.
Hug this now.
I like it.
Okay. Lift up the head. Gotcha. T6 right there. Open. Oh, you didn't feel that either, I bet, huh?
I felt that.
Okay, good. Okay.
Why is that so funny,
Hold
Max?
that.
Max,
Hold that. Hold
Why's
it there.
Max? Huh?
Okay. Push against me.
Why's Max
This
laughing?
side.
like this?
Resist.
That's not funny, Max.
You right or left-handed?
Right.
Let me see this again. Resist. Nah.
Well, this is the best one.
I love the ribs.
Me too.
Right there. Little rib head.
Don't hurt me too much.
Are
What?
you hurting
Oh,
or
no.
helping? I'm not quite sure here.
Oh, my shoulders hurt.
I know it does. It hurts.
No, they hurt a lot.
I know. Good. Now hold that there. Now resist. What's that?
They hurt a lot.
Okay, good.
Oh, they hurt a lot.
Not really.
Hey! 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 This dude's good, man. Go see him.
All right, who's next?